In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Base44 app to Cursor AI. We'll go through the full process of exporting your project from Base44 and bringing that file into Cursor AI so you can start working with it there. This is a straightforward workflow, and once you've done it once, it becomes much easier to repeat for other projects. To begin, go to Base44 and make sure you're on the main apps area. On the left-hand side, click on All Apps. This will show you the projects available in your workspace so you can find the one you want to move over. Next, select the project that you want to export. Take a moment here to confirm you've opened the correct app, especially if you're managing multiple versions or similar project names. Once you're inside the project, click on Dashboard. From the dashboard view, look at the top menu and click on the three-dot menu. This is where you'll find additional project actions. In that menu, choose Export Project as zip. Base44 will then prepare a downloadable zip file containing your project. After the download is complete, make sure you know where the file was saved on your computer. That will save you time in the next part of the process. If needed, you can quickly check your downloads folder before moving on. Now go to Cursor AI. Once you're inside Cursor, look for the prompt box area. This is where you can interact with your project and begin giving instructions once the file has been added. In the prompt box section, click on the plus button. This opens the option to attach content. From there, click on Files. You'll then be able to browse your computer and select the Base44 file you just downloaded. Choose the Base44 file and add it into Cursor AI. Depending on the file size, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds if needed. Once the file is successfully attached, Cursor will have access to the project content you uploaded. At that point, you're ready to start prompting the file in Cursor AI. In other words, you can begin asking Cursor to review the project, explain parts of the code, help you edit features, troubleshoot issues, or guide you through improvements. The key idea is that once the exported file is inside Cursor, you can start using AI assistance directly with that project. And that's it. That's how to move a Base44 app to Cursor AI from export to upload, so you can continue working on your project in a more flexible AI-powered environment.